guys, so it's me, and today we're playing Blade Ball, and yeah. I think this is my first video with voice. Oh no, it's not my first video with voice, and yeah. We're playing this because, to be honest, I just really need to get better. And yeah. Alright. So I'm not going to be good at the game, but I'm going to be trying to get better. Guys, in the comments, let me know what I should play next. Because I keep running out of ideas. Oh. Whew. I'm gonna do this. Nope. Bruh. Too bad, kid. That actually scared me. I'm just gonna show my sword real quick. I don't think I have any secret swords. And yeah. So I'm going to swords. This is all I got. So boy, okay, oh come on! I already said that. Like, I don't. Oh shit. What is this map? What? How are you supposed to play on this map? Wait, hold up. How is that my ability? Wait, is this like a different abilities round or something? I don't think that I have that ability. Oh, that was easy. Yeah, what? Okay. Alright. Abilities. I guess it was just some kind of. Okay, why have I seen 2 games already that have this? Oh, look, I'm sponsored by the game. Just kidding, your character will appear here. If you're in the game, and other people's characters will too. I'm like, why have I seen 2 games with Lego Ninjago States or whatever? Dribble? Bad. How much Ani do I have? I don't. Okay, I have a spin. Okay, hold it. It did say to like select an ability. Infinity. Halt the ball. No, but this is halt the ball in its tracks, timing it perfectly to launch the ball at high speed. Halt the ball in its track and it breaks to unleash the fury of slashes to try to control that. Oh shoot! I'm just gonna spin. No, I shouldn't. Yeah, well, I think we can play with Slashes of Fury. I mean, I know Infinity is good, but like, it's not too good. I mean, I know it is very good, but like, I'm just like trying to choose something else. I've seen people play with it, and to be honest, I want to get something else. So, Slashes of Fury. Oh, bruh. Okay, you know you're not gonna make me lose this. You're not gonna make me lose. They just like think that I'm gonna lose because of that one ability. feel like staying in a corner kind of gets shot. How do you get on you? Don't judge me. I haven't played this game for a very long time. What are you looking at? Oh, not good. Oh. Come on, shoot at me. Hey. Oh, stop it. Thank you. Ah! I'm scared. The ball is way too fast. Oh, no, it's not fast. And no, I was not saying fat. I was saying fast. Fast, not fat. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, good. Okay, I'm good. I just got stuck. Ah, nice. Let's go randomizer. Wait, shoot. That's not good. That's not good. Did I just go to ranked? No. No, I didn't. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Oh, still the wrong thing. Oh, hey, looky here. Marshmallow's playing. Oh my, why are you in the trading plaza? Okay. Pause, how do I get out of here? Because I just have to go like this. Oh, goodness. Okay. Hello, Marshmallow and friends. We get premium for explosion. Sword crate. Bruh, you have to buy to skip. Dude, I was kind of close to the home thing. Oh wait, I was really close to winning. That was like really close. I was so freaking close. Come on, bro. Why would I need a stick? No, you guys, I was so freaking close. That was so. I'm gonna go on AFK mode. Oh my! Wait, tree? Wasn't the tree an admin sword? Huh? Alright. Elemental spin. Wasn't there like a... 6 more elimination! And the chances of me getting something good probably isn't good. Some of these are actually kind of good. Okay. Collect them all to see. Oh, yo. Only 500. Only 500. Do you freaking know how much 500 will cost you? Okay, Okay, pause. What? What's that doing? I think I should go with lightning. Yeah. Ooh. This is gonna take forever. I was about to tell the owner to add spectate, but there already is, so my bad. Why am I spectating? Well, are these online daters? Because wait, I feel like they. No offense to them, but like, I'm just thinking. Okay, if they let each other win, that's no, they're not letting them win. No offense to them if they're not online daters or whatever. So, it's just a matching close or whatever. Oh my gosh. Elemental. Oh yeah, wait a minute. What was it? Oh, I thought that was like the whole update. Like, oh my gosh. It's that thing. Ah, well, 6 minutes. Sheep. How's it already a stand-up? Oh, it's because it's teams. I didn't know. Oh my god! No, stop it. Oh, right, this one. How did I didn't even press. Oh my gosh, I didn't even freaking press. I clicked on the screen. Why does it work if you click on the screen and not only when you hit block? That's never. Win 3 solo matches. That's gonna be hard. And you only get 35 coins. Carry the ball 180 times in a day. And you only get 95 coins. Carry the ball 120 times and you only get 60 coins. You know what? I'm not gonna play one of this. Spingy to Zeus-plosion explosion. That name is really hard to say. Bro, you can't parry somebody else's ball. You can't. Like, why would you do that? What the heck is that sound? What is that sound? Oh, thank you. L? Did she just type L? Oh no. I thought that she typed L. Oh my god! I didn't realize that. So my fault. Don't think I even got a kill in that round. So it's gonna take me forever to... What? Oh boy. Is this... Rap Zero. Dang. But there's 0 selection left. I'm getting bored of this. Usually my videos are kind of long, so this one might be the early one, so. Anyway, I don't understand, for some reason one of my videos says it's copyrighted, but like it's really not. It's just one of my favorite games to play, and because when I made a video playing it, it's like so copyrighted. It's really not. Bruh, you're not funny, and that's not a bonus. I hate that ability. If you're wondering why I sound so off, it's because I'm like waking up at 10 o'clock, you know, to make these videos. I make good quality videos and nobody ever really subscribes. I'm not gonna beg you guys to subscribe, like, how about it? Wait, how do I have 11 wins? Oh yeah, and oh, turn out with the game that I played, that's actually a little acts of balance. Dash is not. I'm gonna try and like get some kind of Poison, that's cool. It's not good. I don't think I ever really used my ability. Oh, never mind. What does this do? Did everybody really just... Okay, pause. What does this do? Hello. What does that ability do? I don't know. I never really played. I mean, I did play this game, but barely anything. Barely. Hello, ball. Super blocked up. Whew, time hole. Okay, let's see what time hole actually does. Create an area around your character that boosts speed, slows enemies, stops the ball temporarily, and disables the enemy's abilities upon calling to that's actually good. Dribble. Dribble the ball before shooting. Okay. Guys, I think that we're gonna end the video here. Yeah, I know it's a little bit early, but to be honest, I'm getting kind of bored with this, and I'm planning to make more videos today, more than one, that is. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you.